using this spark plug and battery. I'm going to make a simple welding machine. Inside there's a graphite rod. Use pliers to grip the end and pull it out. This is a graphite rod from an AA battery. This is attached to the spark plug, and it will function as a welding tip. Drill. Use sandpaper to grind it down to fit snugly into the spark plug. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting videos. Your support is our biggest motivation to make better videos. Now I am going to make the wire to connect to the power source. Attach the other end of the wire to the battery clamp. Strip the insulation off the end of the wire, leaving the metal exposed. Insert the wire to tightly secure the battery core. Attach the spark plug to the end of the battery like this. Wrap electrical tape around it to secure the wire. Now I am going to attach the spark plug to the battery. This is a motorcycle battery. Its voltage is 12 volts, and the red wire connects to the positive terminal. The blue wire connects to the negative terminal. I am going to test this welding machine with this razor blade. The welding machine works very well. It gets hot enough for welding. You can see that it is very sturdy and not loose at all. Great results. Do you like this idea? Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.